Can I have
Well,
a napkin, please?
Well,
It's not, all I remember was,
how did it start?
I don't remember.
How did you start it?
something was, she was behind a bar.
Yeah, but how did you start it?
I don't know. Something about, now age has taken her beauty, and sin has left a great scar. So remember your mother on Mother's Day, and let her sleep under the bar. But what a between the kegs.
Yes. Let her sleep under the bar
It's the White Dream Girl.
between the kegs.
Yeah.
She got to sleep under the bar between the kegs. Yes.
There you go.
Yep.
Hey, Bri, what do you think? Don't you want to see this on YouTube?
Oh, yeah.
No.
No, don't you dare, Diane. See how many hits we
We could get a lot of hits, Gail.
Yeah, especially when I'm sucking on the bone. Yeah. See, that's what you have to do.
Good,
God, I
huh?
feel proud of myself too, but I
You
didn't.
didn't drink any?
No.
Wow.
It's not good. Try again.
Oh, now, if that's a marrow, I don't know, it's good. They're good bones.
I don't think that's marrow, because marrow is,
Well, we
you gotta have an opening in the
yeah.
bone.
Yeah, like the big beef
Oh.
knuckle.
It could
You
be,
want
because
to
that thing's cut.
Yeah.
No, I guess
What?
not. I don't know what it is.
Ooh, gosh, what is this? It's juice.
But
It looks like a spilled
Here,